Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zoom app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, sorry. So you just all you have to do in the first, I'm going to click here on home here. Just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on time shot, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here show message preview here. Click in this sign. So then here can you select message translate here. So then like you see it's going to enable with you. So I'm going to click on English here. Like you see it's enabled with us here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.